Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Loneliness is an increasingly prevalent problem in most countries around the world, and Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States are no exceptions. In fact, recent studies have shown that loneliness is particularly prevalent in these countries, with the World Health Organization estimating that over 11 million Australians, 4.7 million British people, and 50 million Americans suffer from loneliness and social isolation. And this problem can have far-reaching personal and community consequences, both in terms of physical and mental health. People who are chronically lonely are more likely to suffer from depression and anxiety, as well as heart disease, immune system problems, and even an early death. And loneliness is also linked to a decrease in life satisfaction and self-esteem, and can lead to substance abuse and poor decision making. But fortunately, there are a number of ways to combat this issue. Creating meaningful social connections, joining clubs or groups, and seeking out support from family and friends are all great ways to combat loneliness. And additionally, it's important for us to reach out to those who may be feeling isolated and to create an environment where people feel comfortable expressing their emotions and needs. So if you or someone you know is feeling lonely, there's help available. So don't hesitate to reach out. So what are 5 tips that you can do yourself to help combat loneliness? Okay, so focus on yourself and your own goals. Take the time to focus on yourself and what you want to achieve in life. Doing things that make you feel productive and fulfilled can help you to feel more connected and content in life. Reach out to friends and family. Make an effort to make plans and spend time together. Even if it's just a brief phone call or a video chat, having a conversation can help you feel less alone. Join a club or a group. Look for clubs or groups that involve activities that you enjoy and commit to attending regularly. It's a great way to meet like-minded people and make meaningful connections. Volunteer. Volunteering is a great way to get out of your house, get off your couch and meet new people while doing something worthwhile. It can also help you to gain a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Practice self-compassion. Take time to be kind and understanding to yourself. Remind yourself that everyone experiences loneliness at times because it's a normal human condition. It's a normal response to the environment that you're currently in. So do things for yourself that bring you joy, that improve your environment, that improve your nutrition, improve your surroundings, and focus on what you have to be grateful for rather than dwell on what you think is missing. If you think you get anything out of my videos, please boop the like and subscribe button so others can share in the benefits too. Thank you.